Hi guys, my name is Ryan from Plastro Polaris and Power Tools, part of the Acme Outdoor Power Supply family. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put an SRM universal blade kit on a Echo SRM weed trimmer. Alrighty guys, with the universal blade kit, you guys can fit it on the 225 up to the 3020, all in between units. It also uses older SRM weed eaters. They have adapters for it as well. The first thing you want to do is get yourself a stopper here or a screwdriver and put it into the locking collar here. And you want to take off the old speed feed head on it, just like so, just by spinning it off. Take off the collar there just for right now. I like to use a T25 torque bit with a drill, just so it makes the process a little faster. But you can use a Allen wrench or just a screwdriver with a T25 on it. Just take off the old guard. And just like that, you have room to install your new guard for your blade kit. So in the bag that comes with your kit comes all of the actual attachment pieces that you're going to need for the installation. So you want to put your metal reinforcement plate on there, and you're just going to fit it right over there. In your hardware kit, you're going to be using the medium-sized T25 bolts. Which are these ones right here. Don't get them confused. These are the larger ones. They have a kind of place where they don't have threads on them. Those are the ones that you're going to be using for a later process. So what you want to do, install your T25 torque bolts on. Use your drill. Go ahead and tighten those down. Alright, that's nice and on there. You want to make sure this is in place, just so no debris hits your legs while you're doing it. Also, you don't want this blade coming around and swinging and hitting you as well. That'll be a bad day. The next step for installation, you want to find your green washer that comes with your hardware kit. This is going to go in place here, and then your locking collar is going to go right on top. Don't reuse the old one. You want to use this new one. It's a little bit more sturdy and better use for the blade kit. Next, you want to have your blade right here. This is the 7-sided one. They also come with 90 and 3. For today's installation, we're going to be using the one with the 9 on each side. You want to make sure the numbers are going to be facing towards you while you're using it. So when you're installing, the numbers or letters and writing is going to be facing downwards. The next step you want to go for is the pressure plate that goes on top, just like so. Just sits right on top there, and then you want to grab your lock it down washer here. And it is going to be reverse threaded, just keep that in mind. Just like so. Next step for the installation process, you want to get a 17 socket. I like to use the deep socket just so I don't have any issues with getting it tight. This here, you also want to put your locking screwdriver or cylinder piece in there, just so it holds down and doesn't move the blade while you're trying to tighten. And remember, this is reverse threaded, so if you're using a drill, you want to put it in reverse and just tighten her down. And just check, be careful with the sharpness of the blade, but just check if it moves and it's free of motion. Usually if it's not, you forgot to put the washer and you have to go back to that step and then continue from there. But just double check that you have free range of motion here. The next step, you want to have your safety cotter pin. And you just want to install there. And grab a pair of pliers and just bend one side, just like so. And grab the other side and also bend that one, just like so. All right, the next step for the installation for your blade kit, you want to get your handle and also your leg guard. This will protect you just in case the blade grabs something and then turns towards you. This will help you by grabbing your leg before hitting your foot with the blade. So what you want to do, get your T25 torque bit on the drill or screwdriver and loosen the old handle off. And the way to tell, your kit will come with 2 of these arm or leg guards. You want to make sure if you have 2 bolts on top, you're going to be using the one with 2, like this, or if you have one with the older SRMs, they came with 4. All right, so this is your leg guard. If you are right-handed, you're going to be wanting the leg guard pointing that side of the weed eater. And if you're left-handed, you're going to be wanting it pointing to the right side. I'm left-handed, so we're going to be going, or I'm right-handed, so we're going to be going on this side. Basically, you want to get it lined up here, just like so. And you want to reuse the bolts that you took off of the handle guard piece. Take your T25 and tighten her down. Install the other one here. That is nice and tight. Next step you want to do is put the clamp on for your harness. So what you want to do, you want to widen it so it goes around the actual shaft of the weed eater, just like so. And put it right behind the handle. And then you want to pinch down the clamp here, and you're going to be in your hardware kit, you're going to have the small bolt. You want to put that inside there and tighten her down for T25. Just like so. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below, and give us a call if you have any questions.